This is nice. This turned out real good, dude. Suisei. This is a client build, by the way. If you guys haven't seen the Suisei is gorgeous. It's a very pretty, extremely nice themed keyboard based off of, it's a VTuber, right? Hold on. Was this always on the inside of the Suisei? Why don't I remember this? Was it? I only have prototype Suiseis, by the way, so I don't know if this was like a thing. Yeah, this is really pretty. I really don't remember this, by the way. Damn, I love this. This is so cool. On a side note, would you ever consider doing a Keycaps set again? Maybe with Keycovo, since they're more affordable ABS. I will be doing something in the future. It's on my to-do list. I have some other project, and 2 other projects I'm going to be working on first. Oh, dude. This is a match made in heaven for this. This looks so good together. Wow. Kylan, which switches are these again? Are these blue topaz? I can't remember. I have to go look at your build form. Blue topaz, yeah. GMK Astral would look good. Ooh, I don't have that. How much did this board cost? I can't remember, but I think it was pricier. It was definitely pricey. It's a Kibu board, so Kibu boards are usually a bit pricier. They usually have low quantities, and they're a smidge on the expensive side. Ooh, this has some like decent flex to it. Ooh. All right, we may switch out with the Spacebar. This is hot swap. I did make this hot swap here. Who color coordinated this thing? Give them a raise? Hey, that's Seafoam in chat. Fully color coordinated by Seafoam, dude. This gorgeous keycap set is called GMK Noel. Very, very pretty. Accent couldn't have been too strong. Yeah, I feel like if we had an accent, it'd have to be very, very subtle. Scooped is referring to the homing keys. So typically you'll get the option in most keycap sets, not all of them, to get a barred so you can have your fingers know where the homing keys are, or you get a scoop so they're a little bit more exaggerated compared to the other keys. As you can kind of see there, the F and the J are more exaggerated. All right, let's give this a little sound demo. This is HMX Topaz switches. I did take a look, just so everyone's aware, I did take a look at the HMX Blue Topazes prior to streaming today. I did kind of give them all a little feel. I think I opened up 2 of them to kind of move some of the lube around. But they're not, like I didn't custom lube them all. These are just primarily stock. It's a palm plate and GMK switches. I can already tell this is going to sound so good. Oh, that's nice. Oh, is it PP plate? My bad, my bad. It's not palm, it's PP. This is quite nice. Seafoam, do you want to try, do you feel like the Spacebar is too high pitch? Or do you want it a little bit different? Because we did, like, it's totally up to you. I love this. I think this actually works very well with the alphas. Yeah, we can try a different Spacebar for sure. Let's start with the Nixie, yeah? I do feel like it's too different from the alphas. It's a little too different in my opinion. If this was all Nixies, I feel like this would have hit very, very good. Yeah, the alphas are very bright and almost chattery in a way, while this is a bit more subdued, as well as that scratchy sound profile. So I don't know if this is the best of combinations. Let's go with this guy here now. Little Obscura action. I think I'm already sold on the Obscura. Oh, dude, that hits, dude. Ooh, that is a nice Spacebar. This is nice. This turned out real good, dude. It does sound a little bit Mr. Krabs walking, huh? Okay, very happy. Seafoam, you can have this Obscura switch. I'll leave it in there. This is awesome. Yeah, this turned out great. On my Suisei, I had Mizu. And then I have a personal Suisei, which is the dark blue one, that I have GMK Firefly on, which is an excellent set, by the way. Ooh, a bit more beefiness to this, huh? like that without the desk pad. That's pretty beefy sounding. Yeah, I'm here for that. Kylan's right. I think that blue toolpad still sounds great as a spacebar. I think this sounds a little bit nicer. Sounds great. All right, Suisei is complete. See you guys. Love you. Talk to you very soon. And big old happiness spread around today, I hope. Bye, everybody. Later. Oh, that's nice.